If your iPhone camera and flashlight are not working, then here is a guide to fix this. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is check flashlight from control center. Swipe down the top right corner, then tap on the flashlight icon to test. If it is grayed out or unresponsive, then continue with the next step. So all you have to do is tap on the settings from the iPhone's home screen now. Then inside settings, all you have to do is tap on the general option available there. Inside General, check for the iOS update. If an update is available, then install it. Apple often fixes bug related to camera or flash in iOS updates. So make sure your iOS update is the latest version. Now go back to the General again, scroll down, and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then once you tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on the Reset, then tap on the Reset All settings. This will reset system settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera settings, and many more without deleting any of your data. So it is safe to do it. So once you reset all the settings, all you have to do is check your iPhone temperature. If your iPhone is too hot or too cold, the camera and flashlight might auto disable. Let your phone return to normal temperature and then test again. Now again, drag down the control center and try the flashlight. And if it is still not responsive, then it might be the hardware issues. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.